Learn Indonesian with Chandra Sianipar. Alright. Apa kabar? Saya harap Anda baik-baik saja. I hope you all fine. Baik, hari ini kita akan belajar mengenai body part, tubuh, bagian dari tubuh. Alright, langsung saja. This kepala. Kepala. Alright, next rambut. This rambut. Rambut saya warnanya hitam. My hair is black. Alright, good. Next, alis. Alis. Good. Next, mata. 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 Mata untuk melihat. Eyes to see something. Mata untuk melihat sesuatu. Alright, good. Next, hidung. Nose. Hidung. Alright, good. Next, for a man, kumis. Kumis. Alright, good. And this mouth. Mulut. Mulut. Alright. And this bibir. Bibir. Alright, yeah. Next, lidah. Lidah. Alright, good. Next, dagu. Dagu. Okay, good, yeah. For all this, wajah. Wajah. Wajah saya ganteng. My face handsome. Wajah saya ganteng. Alright, good, good, bagus, 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 bagus. Telinga. Telinga. Or kuping. Kuping. My ears is big. Kuping saya besar. Alright, good. Next, this leher. Neck. Leher. Alright, good. Next, this shoulder. Shoulder. Bahu. Bahu. Alright. This arm. Lengan. Lengan. Lengan kanan. Lengan kiri. Arm. Left arm. Right arm. Alright. And this, of course, hands. Tangan. Tangan. Alright, good. Jari. Finger. Jari. Jari. Alright. Thumb. Jempol. 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 Telunjuk. Telunjuk. Right. Jari tengah. Jari tengah. Jari manis. Jari manis. Kelingking. Kelingking. Alright, good. Yeah, right. Next, dada. Dada. Perut. Perut. Perut saya besar. My stomach is big. Good. And then this punggung. 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 This pinggang. Sorry, once more. This gigi. I forgot you something, saya lupa. Gigi. Gigi saya ompong. Alright, alright. Now we go to the bottom, yeah. From pinggang, this you can see pinggang, yeah. Right. You go to here, leg, kaki, 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 and from this to this, you can see paha, 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 and this knee, lutut, lutut, lutut. Alright, and this telapak kaki, telapak kaki. Ya, kita berlari menggunakan kaki. We run away by your leg. Right? Okay? Alright? You can do it? Okay. Good. Alright. Please leave on the comment below. Yeah? You can make a quiz. I'm gonna make quiz for you. Yeah? What's this? What's this? Alright? And what's this? And what's this? Alright, you can write down, comment below, yeah? And you can write down all the things about body part at the comment. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Give your like. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa lagi.